Hi, it's Fran, the holistic hygienist here at Dr. Goshinsky's Holistic Dental Center. And you've seen a few of my videos already, but yeah, this is the first one I'm sitting down at. And you're like, oh wow, she's got something heavy to talk about, I guess. Yeah, actually I do. I just wanted to broach a subject that's been of topic lately. That is holistic dentistry. Like, what is it? A lot of people don't understand what it actually is, and you know, some words have been thrown around. Oh, it's a bunch of quackery, and it's witch doctor, and you know, you chew on tree bark, and your teeth rot out of your head, and you know, that's not the truth. It's all about how we can get you healthy, and it's not just about your teeth. And what I mean by that is, let me quick read to you a definition out of the dictionary with my blinged out readers. Make sure you get yourself a pair. Holistic. It is the emphasizing the importance of the whole and the interdependence of its parts. And it's concerned with the wholes rather than the analysis or separation into parts. And what that means is, again, for example, dentistry, the mouth, how the mouth is interrelated with the rest of the body, and how infections or diseases of the mouth can affect the rest of the body, how anything we put into your mouth can affect the rest of your body. Even Aristotle, many years ago, centuries ago, said your whole is greater than the sum of its parts. So when we are talking about holistic, that means the whole body. We're not talking about using any kind of hocus pocus or waving fancy wands and stuff. It's about treating you with science, evidence-based research that shows that using less toxic materials is more beneficial for you. Using more natural products is going to be healthier for you, and minimizing your exposure to bad stuff is just going to help you live longer. So isn't that what we all want? So if you have your choice of having toxic chemicals put in your body or a natural healthy lifestyle, and it's going to give you the same end result, I think that's a no-brainer answer right there. So that's what we do, and that's what we're here for. I want you to interact with me. Leave your comments below. I want you to give me some of your feedback, some questions, some things you want answers to. Please let me know. I'll be happy to do that. And for those of you who just want to come on in and take a tour of the office and ask a couple of questions, not a problem. The number here, of course, is 973-379-9080, or you can visit our website, www.holisticdentalcenternj.com. And don't forget to subscribe to the channel so that you can always get our tips, tricks, and info. And at the end of the day, don't forget your blinged out readers.